Hello guys, and welcome back to episode 2 of The Sims. They're at their house right now. Just chilling. I furnished the home. And the bed. Just the couch, sorry you guys can't really see it. We didn't have that much money when I bought this house. This house is really expensive, so I didn't really get as much. So she wants that job, so we're gonna wait for the mail guy to come. Whoa. So she wants to join the medical career, and he wants to join the science career. Why don't we just make them? No, not right now. Alright, let's check out her needs. Nothing. That's the thing that I hate. She wants to brush him. Stop it. No. Okay. Are you making that noise? No. Why don't you go? Just give her a hug. Come on, go for it. Don't be a wimp. Give her a hug. Oh, that's cute. Why don't they friendly worry about money? Because they don't have a lot of money. It's okay. Oh, that's cute. Just be funny. Make a silly face. Funny? Not really. How about we get... He's the natural cook. Oh my gosh. I forgot all about the dog. Great. Alright, let's put this right there. And since the dog's not that big, let's just put this one. That's what it looks like. Okay. Forgot all about that. Great. And so he doesn't chew on anything. Let's just give him a toy box. Oh, there it is. So that looks like, just in case you didn't know. Okay. I don't know why it's a little dark for you guys. Maybe I have to put light over there. It's not why. Oh yeah, it is. That's funny. That's why. Sorry, excuse me one second. Why did I say excuse me to camera? Weird. Alright, so we're all done with build mode, or now we're going back to live mode. He wants to fill both for $10. Well, I have to start ending it here. I'm so sorry. But, yeah. We did a lot this episode. Well, no, not that much, but I'm scared this is going to end without me telling you guys. So, bye.